Nessa Sunshine here, and today we are getting into the ABH Soft Glam palette once again. So if you're interested in getting this look, well, make sure to subscribe to my channel and let's get into the tutorial. For this tutorial, we'll first get into the shade Burnt Orange, and I will be using the Zoeva 134 Powder Fusion brush. So if you've seen any of my tutorials, well, this will be pretty similar. I have my brows and my base on. My base is a set base. I'm taking more of burnt orange and the tip of the base of my brush and moving in swiper motions. Swipe, 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 back and forth, swipe, swipe, swipe. And I'm going to take even more of burnt orange and I'm going to focus it on the outer corner, on the tip. And I'm not necessarily focusing it in the crease. I'm just kind of placing it all over the eyelid. I'm going to take even more. I think this is probably my fourth dip if we want to be extra precise. To add burnt orange in swiper motions all over the lid. Once you have blent burnt orange all over your lid, go ahead and do that to the other side. And our second shade will be the Shimmer Bronze. And I will be using the Zoeva 228 crease brush. Swiping in horizontal motions, and then I'll take the tip of my brush and move sort of over and blend out to the outer corner. For this particular look, I will blend my shimmer shade out. Don't worry about the outer corner because what we're gonna do is clean it up. So just make sure you add your shimmer all over your eyelid. This is the Wet n Wild Jelly in Champagne Diet, and I will be using the Zoeva 228 crease brush. So this is an absolutely unnecessary step, but I do want to add this jelly because I tried it the other day and it was so pretty, and when it's spread out onto the eye it kind of looks like sparkles inside of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the tip of my brush, and a little goes a long way. Now you can add even more of bronze if you don't have this jelly to sort of make this shimmer look even more intense. Now if you do have the jelly, or you do get the jelly to do this, it dries fast, so just be prepared for that. So I'm just using the tip of my blending brush to spread it all over the eyelid. So just keep using the tip of the brush if you are applying the jelly and blending all over the eyelid, the mobile eyelid, to the outside, because we're going to clean that up, so we want to bring it out, even exaggerate it a little bit so that we make sure we do get a wing happening. So you can either skip this part or add it and then add it to the other side, and then we will clean up the edges. And voila, I have lashes on. So these are the Lashylicious, Lustylicious Lash. So go ahead and pause the video if you are following along, and we will come back together after the makeup miracle moment. And here we go, we have a face, and let's get into the lower lashes. And I will be using the Novel White Rose Precision Shader Brush. So just put burnt orange onto the lower lashes. Where's my mirror? Where did it go? So I'm just placing burnt orange all over the entire lower lash line. I've also added highlighter in the inner corner. It's barely noticeable, but if you want to add highlighter, make sure to add highlighter. If you don't, then don't. Once you've applied burnt orange to your lower lash line, go ahead and do that to the other side. This is the Mega Length Mascara from Wet n Wild, and that will complete this eye look, and I'll show you the bold lip that I will be wearing in a moment. For lips, I'll be wearing the Maybelline Superstay Matte Lip Ink in the shade Founder. And that completes this look using the ABH Soft Glam palette. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, make sure to like it, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram at Nessa Sunshine, why not? And yeah, if you made it this far in the video, comment down below holiday, because I love wearing this combination. It reminds me of the holiday time, like Christmas time, Christmaka. Like, this is such a holiday sort of look, even though it's not. It's the opposite time of year. So anyway, I will see you guys next time. Bye. Bye now.